So guys, today I have the Eufy by Anker outdoor wireless security camera, and as you can see right here, it has a 120-day battery life, works with the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. So this is a SoloCam E20, and I want to show you how to set this up and also get it mounted. So we're going to be setting this up and also getting it mounted. So let's get it out of the pack. So this is the camera right here, and we're going to be setting this up and connecting to Wi-Fi. So the first thing you want to do is to get your phone, and the next thing you want to do is to go over to your app store and download the Eufy app. So open your app store and type in Eufy. Search. So this is the app right here. I already have this app on my phone. If you don't have the app on your phone, you're going to see a download icon here. So follow the on-screen instructions to download the app to your phone. And you want to create an account if you don't have one. So let's open it. So the next thing you want to do is to tap Add Device. You can tap Add Device here or tap the plus icon here. So let's go. Add Device. So now I want to select a camera. So this one here is the battery powered camera. So you can see right here, battery camera. So select this one. Now I want to select a camera model. This is the SoloCam E20. So you want to scroll to where you have your camera model. Okay, this is it right here. The SoloCam E20/E40. Let's go. So you want to select if you're connecting to your router or you're connecting to home base or the home base professional. So in my case, I'm connecting to my router. So let's go with this. So here you want to select your Wi-Fi and make sure you're on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So select your Wi-Fi here and enter your password. And you want to tap Next. So now you want to get your camera and press the sync button here for about 2 seconds. Okay. Now you can see it's flashing blue, meaning it's in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and set it up. So now you want to tap Next. Go again, Next. So now you want to scan the QR code. So you want to get your camera and your phone. So you want to place it about 20 cm away to scan the QR code.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
So now you want to tap Next. It's connecting. We need to wait a few seconds.
Setup was successful.
And that's it. Next, select what you want to select here. Okay, I'm going with the optimal surveillance. Okay, so you want to make sure your camera is fully charged before you mount it. So the instructions are right here. You want to follow the on-screen instructions. So let's go. And these are the mounting instructions, the mounting tips. Okay, the firmware is up to date. You want to tap Done. So you can see the camera is live right here. So that's how to set up your Eufy SoloCam E20 outdoor wireless camera. The next thing you want to do is to get this mounted. So let's go ahead and mount it. So what you need now is the mounting bracket. This is right here, and the screws. So now you want to get the mounting bracket and unscrew it. Let's unscrew this one out. Take this one out. And where you want to mount it, okay, so you want to place it this way to mark the holes where you want to drill. Okay, and now you can adjust it to how you want it to be. And after adjusting it, you're going to come back here and screw this in firmly. So we have our camera mounted. So that's how to mount your Eufy SoloCam E20 outdoor wireless camera. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.